Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Karis, and update, we're still in the airport in Lubbock. Haven't seen my last video, go watch that first. But I changed into these cutesy pajamas, like with the little bows, and we DoorDashed Buffalo Wild Wings. I got fries. I got a burger, but I'm almost done with that. I got this is all that's left. And I got this. And yeah, basically that's it. Oh, I wanted to show y'all. Actually, I'll post on another video. So bye y'all. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more content coming every Sunday.